welcome to phase 2. What you should have in your mind now, and you should also be seeing in front of your eyes on your screen, is the supercharged little beastie that you've got now at your disposal. Imagine if you've just gone out and bought a car, then what you've come back with, a real powerful yet economical sports car that can travel over rough terrain. Recognize that you've got powerful tools now at your disposal, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put some life and some identity, begin to build your online reputation. Right, so here we are in phase 2, and we're looking at content. It's absolutely crucial to all of your future dealings to begin with a serious quality standard when it comes to your content. Now, that might sound difficult, but don't be put off, because we've worked out ways that we can do this very easily. What we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to look at articles. Articles turn into reports, and reports turn into ebooks. And the article tactic that we're going to use is e-zines. Then we're also going to look at podcasts, which in effect are your own way of doing your radio show, the one you've always dreamed of. You know, you can interview colleagues or clients or anybody you can find that could be of interest to others, because something to remember with the content as well is quality, but it's also about quantity. You want to find that balance where you've got, for example, 6 podcasts up there, which is series 1 of the program that you called, whatever it might be. Series 2 will happen again, and you'll post those. If you put it up in that format, that's how people will perceive it. Now, this radio show, for example, you could also do podcasts that turn into e-courses, and you just expand upon it. The next thing we're going to look at is screencasts and how to get about doing that. Screencast is obviously the concept of screen capture, so using software to film what is being seen on the screen, exactly what you're looking at right now. We're going to introduce you how to do that well, because of course this will open up the video world to you and allows you to post your stuff on YouTube and start to leverage that for its marketing potential. Now, whatever you might think about your ability to write, to produce a radio show, and to, in effect, create a TV show, don't worry about that, because you can do it. And it's really very simple if you've got the right equipment, which we're going to show you how to get. And if you use some basic template formats that we'll introduce you to, everybody can achieve it. There's other choices that will have to be made down the line, but ostensibly anybody can do this. So without further ado, I hope you're getting sufficiently excited about what we're dealing with here, because now we take the army and we start to take some of the battlefield and start claiming some market share. For the podcasts, we're going to podproducer.net and Audacity. And then for screencasts, we're going to look at these boys in front of you. So everybody gets covered, whether you're interested in paying for it right now, or if you want to do some trial periods, or just have it for free. So that's what we're going to be looking at right now. So get your notebook ready, leveraging your content. So here we are at ezinearticles.com, and you're going to join that. There's a supreme amount of advantages with dealing with them, and they run a very nice, tight ship. It takes a little while to get your status up high, but the higher you go, the better it is. But they run a very nice system.